Can you feel yourself being silent inside? This is what we are so longing for in this busy world, to find our peace and silence. Whatever you see here is not real. It's the fantasy. It's pointing you to the real silent self that you are. Every movement you make, every movement you see outside is a butterfly coming to the garden. It attracts your attention, and there is this you existing again. It is done before you know it. Your existence starts every minute. Your existence as person, separation. Feel your real silent self. No color, no form, no action, no movements, no words, sound, vision. Wow, the purest bliss to realize that you are this. This world appears but don't go in it. You are in this life, this world life, but let it not come in you. Make a habit of it, to stop acting and thinking and doing, and return in your blissful state. You will long for it more and more. We close our eyes because all that we see attracts our beingness into that visibility that we make of ourselves. It is the fantasy. Nothing can bring you more peace than yourself. It was a long way from baby to adult, growing, following others, finding the guru, following the guru. There, bingo, he brought you home. The guru in this creation, this world, that wisdom in a human form showed you what you really like and want and long for. That formless self, that silence. What a journey it was. And now, bliss to yourself. Bye 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 world. Bye bye busy world. Merging with the silent self-being. Bliss.